Heyo, what's going on, folks? What do we got going on over here? Got the guy in his little Razor rolling around there, the construction site. Today is April 4th, and we're just chilling here. We're at the Venetian. We're taking some video of the Mirage work. We're gonna zoom in. When I was pulling up, I noticed this crane operator had something going on over here. Looks like those dump trucks continuing to pick up the dirt, rock, debris in the back and haul it off the site. See if we can, how far we can zoom in here. They're doing something. I know. We all know they're doing something. Excuse me, but I really can't tell what exactly it is that they're doing. Obviously, the crane lowered something or other down to those guys. We got a cement truck over here, it looks like. It's a busy morning. Dump truck going back onto site to pick up the two of them actually. There's a gray one coming in your screen there. Looks like a busy day hauling all the material off. I presume, and we'll try and take a look on the back side again. I presume it's going to be in relation to the pool area there. That's what I'm thinking, at least. But we'll have to see. Zoom in, see if the crane operator is up there taking a nap or anything exciting. Probably not. I don't know about you guys and gals, but I sure as hell wouldn't want to climb up that every day and climb down. And don't get me wrong, I'm sure crane operators make a boatload of money. But it's also quite dangerous, because when that sucker comes down, if you're in it, it's probably not going to end very well for you. I think you hear the bells going off here at the Venetian, St. Mark's Square. It's 10 a.m. Excitement going on. Looks like a bunch of little things. Maybe he's going to pick stuff up, I'm thinking. Since his forks look empty. Let's see if we can't get inside. I don't think we'll be able to. But it looks like we can still kind of partially see all the way across through the building there in the center about right now. I don't think that's a light in terms of like, you know what I mean? It's daylight is what I'm trying to say. Nick, what do you think, buddy? See what's going on over here. A dump truck. There we go. Another dump truck taking a load off. We're out to site. Looks like that guy is, well, I thought he was descending, but I guess not. something up. So I was like, well, all right. Maybe they are, I don't know. It's definitely moving. You got to be super gentle with those controls, because the boom at the top, if you swing it too fast, then you're going to lose control of your spreader bar there. And you don't want things flying all around, potentially hitting someone or something. Not a good look. Looks like they're lowering that puppy. Now they stopped. Huh. Oh well. I think we're gonna look around here. I don't really see a whole lot else going on, so I think what we'll do is, let's see, anything going on with that concrete truck? I was gonna say, doesn't look like anything is going on. Oh, maybe it's getting lowered now a little bit. It's weird, they keep lowering it little bit by little bit. I guess I showed up at the wrong time in terms of being able to see whatever was attached to it, and then they were dropping it. But see, there it goes, a little bit lower, a little bit lower. They're probably telling that crane guy, obviously, lower it, lower it. But that concrete truck now, that puppy's leaving. He dropped his load off. He's following the blue dump truck off the site. We got some more vehicles coming here. All right, folks, so I think for real that's going to be it for today in terms of from the front side. Now we'll go check out the back side. Hopefully there's something a little more interesting going on here, and we'll catch you later. Well, folks, excuse me, we're here on the back side. Let me try and get to the corner over here. Looks like they're doing some work over there. Maybe, I don't know what. Over there, looks like just a BS session going on. Got a little backhoe action, as opposed to the front hoe. Ho, 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 ho. I don't think we'll notice any real changes in terms of coming out here, unless it's like they erect something out of nowhere. But short of that, it's going to be just little updates here and there. Looks like they're putting a little house type of building together. Got the two guys on the ladders. Got the walls, got a window there. Let me see if I can zoom in anymore. Whoop. There we go. Said the window there. Now they got to put a roof and then some type of covering. Got a little bit of yard action over here. they're taking that. But we'll follow them. Until he goes out of the picture, of course, and then we don't and then we don't know where the hell they're going. Well, he's going to leave our picture there in a second, but I did want to point out this on the roof here. If you notice, there are some lights, pretty powerful. So I wonder if they work out here at nighttime too. Because it looks like right now, there we go. Got some dirt from underneath and gonna go throw it in that dump truck. So now we know, oh no, he's not gonna throw it in the dump truck. That was interesting, because I thought that's where the dump trucks were going up a little hill there. I guess he dumps the dirt in the hill, on the hill there, and then from there they must load the truck. Truck comes up and gets loaded and takes off. I'll zoom out here for a second. Truck, and they're I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if we can get it in time, but he went back where he came from to go get more dirt. Anyways, I was gonna say, on the roof, as you'll notice, they have like some makeshift railings up there to prevent people from being able to fall downstairs, well, to the next lower level on the ground. So I hadn't noticed that the other day, and I'll probably bring it up because I'm sure it's gonna change as time goes on. It'll be there. Not sure what's going on over here. Looks like some, I don't know, structure to help prop up that roof, I guess, maybe. I don't even know. That's what it looks like. All right, folks. Well, I appreciate you watching and viewing, and zoom out a little quicker there, and then we'll get our thumbnail. Cha-ching! Money time! No, I don't know what thumbnail we'll use, but definitely work is progressing. We'll get you more updates as time goes on. Thanks, folks.